What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. When I look at technical analysis and I look at different positions, I like to focus on whether things are going to run based off of history, as well as understanding what the overall market impact is right now. So I want to take you through an XRP kind of prediction that states that XRP might see an 8x to 10x very, very soon, which is 800% to 1000% very, very soon. I had a lot of people reach out to me in my live stream, yesterday, asking me, when is XRP going to run? There's a lot of things that are moving, right? Solana moves from a level of like $11 all the way up to $125. You saw BNB that went from the low level after everything that happened to Binance from 230 all the way up to like 325 just recently, just yesterday. So things are definitely moving in the market. Bitcoin's up to 44, almost 45. Ethereum is moving up to 2400. There's just so many things that are moving in the market, but XRP is kind of standing still. Yes, it is up slightly, but it's more or less standing still compared to a lot of other things that are out there. So let's talk about this. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos, and also check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to sign up for Margex, I'll also include that in the description. Now, I also want to thank Cryptonomy for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. So let's go ahead and dive into XRP and exactly where the price is, and then we'll dive into the prediction that we have based on, analysts. So currently XRP is at 64 cents. So we are seeing a little bit of an increase. And if you didn't know, I made massive investments into XRP, like 1,000 after 1,000 after 1,000 after 1,000 into XRP, and I currently hold going on $7,000 in XRP. But it's currently at 64 cents, and we're seeing it up about 2.64%. with $1.8 billion worth of volume, up 24% in the volume, but the current market cap is sitting at about $34 billion. Now, if we go and look at the entire market, right, the entire market is up to a $1.7 trillion market cap. So congratulations for all the people that are invested or were invested from $1 trillion market cap. If we look at, Bitcoin, you're currently seeing Bitcoin at 43. You look at Ethereum, it's basically at that 24 mark. If you look at something like BNB and how far that has risen, it's currently up to a $50 billion market cap. Solana is up to a $45 billion market cap. XRP has been passed up by Solana, and there is so much distance in between Solana and XRP because XRP really hasn't moved. And even Cardano has been moving, right? It's up 5%, up to 64, 65 cents. So XRP has been kind of standing still. So let's talk about that and why that's significant to where we could see a potential 8x to 10x. But before we get into that, let's talk about Cryptonomy really fast. So quickly, I want to thank Cryptonomy for sponsoring this video. Cryptonomy sponsored a previous video to where we went through and used their flexible staking and their fixed staking. If you don't remember what Cryptonomy is, it's a venture fund, a trading organization, or a crypto credit company. This meaning that you can gain interest on a lot of the money that you're investing into. In that video, we wanted to go through three things, which was flexible staking, fixed staking, and introduce the Launchpad. In this, we want to have a little bit of an update as well as look into the newly launched Launchpad. So if we go into my interest earned account, you're going to see Bitcoin and you're going to see XRP, which was staked at a flexible rate. 28% for XRP and 24% for BTC. You're looking at $43 that you gained over in BTC and 10 XRP, or total earned of 22.6. If you're not familiar with this, you can stake various positions for 20%, 30%, and get up to 105% interest with fixed terms if we decided to go over to that rate. And if you go over here, you're going to see the fixed assets that you can stake, which are basically all of the same ones, but just for a certain period of time if you did want to stake it. I'm going to go in here and stake Ethereum, which I will stake about 0.3 of my Ethereum. And I'm going to do it instead of at a total amount that you have here. I want to be able to get interest monthly. So I'm going to go ahead and select 12 months for 56%. And I'm going to hit continue. And I'm going to accept the terms. And it's going to go and create that. So that request has been sent. Now, the other thing that Cryptonomy wanted to introduce is the Launchpad. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to the statistics when you look at the past events, and you could see exactly what the ROI was, whether you're looking at 2.6 times ROI or 6.2 times ROI, or looking at 3.5, and so on and so forth, and exactly how much you would see there. I also want you to look at these statistics up here before you decide to create your contract. So if you wanted to create a contract really quick, you would go to create contract, select whatever position that you want to create the contract with, which is going to be, for me, USDT. I'll select the max and I will select bronze. All I'm going to do is hit continue and then accept the terms that they basically just laid out for you, and then you'll hit create, and that request is sent. So now you're going to see that listed here and exactly what the expected profit is, where it could be 1 times to 5 times return. So Cryptonomy offers a lot of different things that could benefit the normal investor, as long as you want to kind of be hands-free and do things on the staking side, but you still have a feel or a say in exactly where things are going. So Cryptonomy is offering that to its investors. I think it's definitely interesting, and it's worth a look if you guys are interested. So definitely go ahead and check that link down below, any of the links down below for Cryptonomy. And again, thank you to Cryptonomy for sponsoring this video. So this article by Coinpedia basically states that XRP is poised for an 8 to 10x rally very, very soon. So analyzing XRP's price lag and price and rise in historical patterns. The recent analysis by market expert JD has sparked discussion around the potential overlook trend in XRP market, reminiscent of patterns seen in 2017 cycle. Notably, while most cryptocurrencies were on the upward trajectory from October 15th or October 2015, XRP showed pace during this period. That means that once the bull run picks up momentum, almost every token will move, but historically XRP tends to pump much later than others. JD highlighted the historical similarities between 2017 cycle and the current XRP market behavior. In the past, XRP initially lagged before or behind other assets, prompting some investors to switch to higher performing options, missing out on XRP's eventual massive surge. And that's probably what you will end up seeing. In most cases, you end up seeing that if people get impatient and see all the gains everywhere else, they're like, I'm missing out, right? In the present scenario, the surge of the overall market in October hasn't reflected a similar pace in XRP's growth compared to the prominent cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Solana. This has sparked frustration among some XRP investors, drawing parallels to sentiments observed during the 2017 cycle, when XRP's underperformance led to a decline in market dominance. Crypto in split. There's a divided opinion regarding the potential for XRP to mirror the 600x surge witnessed in 2017. While skepticism exists about replicating such extraordinary growth, JD suggests that a technical indicator hint at a possible 8 to 10x increase for XRP's price value. This projection indicates a significant rise in the current value of 62 cents, potentially reaching $6.21 when the anticipated rally unfolds. So they're basically saying that XRP will 10x, or has a potential chance to 10x within this rally, because it's been standing still so long. I've been saying this for a long time, that consolidation will lead to these bullish momentums, and we've seen that in so many different cases. So it's not something where it's kind of uncharted waters or uncharted territory. Like, it's something we've been here before, and we expect to see this larger growth coming soon. Now, is it 100%? No, it's not 100% that that's going to happen, but typically the past will dictate what the future will bring. So let me know what you think about XRP, and if it will hit the 800% or 1,000% gain very, very soon, and if you believe that it will go past the level of $6.21, because honestly, that's still a low level compared to a lot of the price predictions that are out there when it comes to the bull run. But when we talk about the start to the bull run, that's always interesting to see what that outcome will be. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out any of the links that are down below. You can check out those links for Cryptonomy down there. Thank you to Cryptonomy for sponsoring this video. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.